Wash reusable microfiber mop pads after every shift to maintain sanitation and control costs. Start by pre-treating heavily soiled pads immediately after use by rinsing under warm running water to remove loose debris and grit that will abrade fibers during washing. Use a commercial or heavy-duty laundry detergent without fabric softener and add a small amount of oxygen-based bleach if color-safe to boost sanitizing power. Measure detergents according to load size and soil level and avoid detergents with conditioners. Machine wash pads on a warm cycle for at least 30 minutes for larger loads, or use a continuous wash extractor for commercial laundries to remove oils and soil more effectively, and do not overload the washer so agitation can reach every pad. Rinse thoroughly with warm water to remove residual detergent because leftover soap reduces microfiber performance and leaves residues that attract soil. Dry pads on low heat or use commercial tumble dryers with no dryer sheets, and remove promptly when dry to prevent static and fiber clumping. Alternatively, hang dry in a well-ventilated area to extend pad life. Inspect pads after drying for fiber integrity, thinning, or ripped backing, and rotate stock so older pads are used less frequently to optimize lifespan and replacement planning. Common issues are residue buildup that reduces pickup and streaking, which is usually caused by fabric softener or insufficient rinsing. The fix is to use detergent only, perform an extra rinse cycle, and occasionally run a maintenance wash with white vinegar to strip residues. Another problem is premature fiber collapse or shedding from high-temperature washes and harsh chemicals. Avoid bleach concentration above manufacturer recommendations, keep dryer temperatures low, and prefer oxygen-based bleach to chlorine when disinfection is needed. A third concern is cross-contamination between areas such as restrooms and offices when pads are mixed in the same wash. Segregate pads by use category, use color-coded bags or bins, and launder high-risk pads separately and more frequently. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and helps contractors find projects by listing work opportunities and letting users connect directly. We also host an active discussion community where members share advice, trade tips, and vendor experiences to support better decisions for cleaning and maintenance.